Okay, one of our courageous competitor to the Toyota Camry. This is the MG7. So many people are anticipating this car to arrive soon. Check out the front, has got a Hyundai Elantra-like front, and then you get this very nice rims. Body shape is about Audi A7, your fastback type, and then you get very nice, very strong shoulders at the back here. Check it out. Yeah, very nice lights at the back too. Very, very strong quad exhaust, and then you get a bit of diffuser. Let's check out the boot space. Oh no, there's no more battery, so you can't open it up. I'm not sure if it opens here or here. Let's try it. You can. Okay, let's go in front. Oh, this is a show car, left-hand drive. So it comes from the other side. Very nice display, much more impressive than the Camry. You got very nice interior in satin chrome with some patterns. You get Lamborghini start-stop button, Audi A5 or A7 gear shifter. You have frameless doors, okay, just like your Volkswagen Arteon. Very nice satin chrome here, gloss black. You get your door handles like this, and then raised stitching, nice leather, hard plastic, and the hard plastic is not too bad, not too bad of a quality. Check out the seats. You get bucket seats, very nice, raised stitching, red piping, and then the bottom of your dashboard just like this. Check out the back door. Quite good of a quality. You get gloss black here all the way down, and it meets here your window buttons. Yeah, and this is your bucket seat. Looking down, you see very low. I will not attempt to get inside. Your armrest and your rear aircon vents very small. You have 2 USB-C, a small box to put your stuff, and check out your dashboard. This is your dashboard, or rather your cockpit. You get panoramic roof all the way
ordinary
to the back.
Is choosing the familiar path, blending into the crowd, conforming to conventions.
Okay, it's more like an Audi A7 rather than a Volkswagen Arteon. So it's more A7-like. The front, check out the front grille. Let me get out the light. Yeah, check out the front grille, boy.
It's not a question of right or wrong. It's
so nice. Check out the lights.
And by choice.
Reminiscent of the Hyundai Elantra. Check out the wave
all new MG7
on the engine cover.
Outdrive ordinary.
So nice. You get cameras here, and then this is almost like your British racing green. Okay, almost like, but a little bit lighter. So check out your view. Very nice. Okay. Let me attempt to get inside. Okay, your driver's side. Your lock unlock. Your speaker grille. Unfortunately, it's not branded. Gloss black leather. Gloss black as well. very low. This car sits very low. So check out the cockpit again. And this part, you get a different material, leather, very soft, satin chrome, your signal stock. Let me get inside. Sports pedal, sports pedal. So this part, very impressive, like your Audi, very like Audi, and your cup holder has got a different shape. And my butt is a bit too big for the seat. Okay, you got your super sport button. MG is now copying Porsches using the super sport button here. So when you need power, you just push, just like your NOS lah. Satin chrome. This part satin chrome. You get red stitching. And cockpit wise, this car beats the Camry lah. At 250,000 or below, this car will be a big threat to the MG for the young adult or young executive market. Check out the frameless rearview mirror. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, support our channel, and check out this very nice, very slimline kind of sunshade. This part, quality wise, not too bad. You get satin chrome here as well. You want to check out the lights. No lights, gone already. And that part of the cockpit, and these are leather. So check out the Lamborghini start stop button. Yeah, Lamborghini inspired. And this part, you get 2 USB-C inside. And then where is your wireless charger? Oh, probably underneath. Nope, no wireless charger. That's disappointing. This is a top level executive car. This car probably came from the Middle East because there's some writing at the side of the wing mirror. But the display beats the Camry, hands down. Hands down, it beats the Camry. Steering feel, a bit of flat bottom and flat top, and then you get this diamond light toggle. So you get pedal shifters. Yeah, you get very nice Audi light signal stock lah. So this is your door handle. So definitely very refined car. Only question is the pricing. So if this car is priced below 200,000, it's a go. If this car price below 250,000, maybe a go for some young executive who wants to take some risks. But if it's more than 250,000, bye-bye. People will go for all the luxury brands like Mercedes, BMW, rather than this brand. Yeah. So very nice bumper, very nice lip, very exciting car. But Malaysians may not go for it because look at the number of Elantras in Malaysia. Maybe Elantras is priced wrong. If the Elantra is priced right, maybe it will do well. So there you have it, guys. The much anticipated MG7. Only question is pricing, and only question is what engine configuration will it come in. Yeah. So see you in next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.